Jai Hind everyone. As per the picture shown to us today, I perceive two characters, one male, one female. Age bracket is 20 to 30 years old and all are in a positive mood. The action of my story is consoling and guiding her friend in order for clearing the serious examination. Ram, 24-year-old, is a junior executive in NTP Limited. He works in Goa and along with her work he was also preparing for the serious examination as he was a hardcore defense aspirant, as he have seen his father in the uniform from childhood itself. One day he has worked hard, he cleared the serious examination, and one day while he was going to the office he saw her friend who was a bit tense because she was not able to clear the serious examination. He went there, he consoled her, he explained her about the preparation strategies, tell him about all the websites from where he has prepared. He has also given her notes to him as well, so that he can prepare from those notes, and next time she successfully cleared the serious examination, and he also guided him about the SSB as well. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From this picture, I have perceived two characters, one male, one female, in the age bracket 22 years. The overall mood of the picture is positive. Asha is a 22-year-old graduate who has recently been placed in a tech company in Pune. And she, along with her college friend Ram, have both been placed in the same company. And the project manager has given them a problem code to solve and submit to him in one day. As the code was a complex one, both Ram and Asha decided to, after returning back from office, they would sit in their society garden and then think about the overall solution of the code. So they sat down, lost in deep thought, they planned the overall solution of the problem, and then after collectively coming to a very proper solution, the next day they submitted their solution to their project manager, after which the project manager was satisfied with their efforts, provided his valuable feedback, and appreciated them for their work. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown, I have perceived two characters, one male and one female. Both of them are 20 years old, and the action of my story is meeting my friend after a long time. So Ram, a 20-year-old NDA cadet, met his old friend Rama while he was walking in the park. Then they both sit together and were discussing upon how they used to enjoy in the good old school days. They have met after the 4 years. Last time when they met was when they were in the 10th standard, and now now Rama is pursuing engineering in LNCT College, and Ram has joined NDA. Further, they were talking about their friends they have in the school and the good old school days. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture I perceived two characters, one male, one female, and the age bracket is between 28 to 30 years old. And the overall mood of the story is positive, and the action of my story is spreading awareness and helping the needy. Ram is a 30-year-old man, has done masters in economics and is currently a social worker. One day he was while returning from the temple, he he saw a woman outside the government office in stress. He approached her and got to know that she had some work in the government office that has to be completed, but she was not able to gather courage and was not confident to get her work done. So he approached her, encouraged her, motivated her, and told that the government is for our help and is in support for us, not in against. She gathered the courage and got motivated by his speech and gone to the office and get her work done completed by her confidence and courage and her courage. Thank you.
Then everyone, from the given picture, I will pursue two characters, one male and one female. Age ranging between 22 and 20 to 30. The action of my story is celebrating the upcoming event of the family. Amit, who is a 22-year-old working at MNC, has returned to the home and live in the holidays of the company where he wanted to, after coming from the work on the leave, he wanted to celebrate the upcoming birthday of his mother, for which he had discussed to her sister about how to plan it in proper way and how to celebrate it and give them surprise about their birthday. For it they both do proper planning and do the arrangement, and celebrated the birthday of my mother in proper manner and
Genuine, from the given story, I have perceived two characters, one male, one female, each ranging between 23 years old and age ranging around 23 years old, and overall mood is positive. The action of my story is helping a friend to clear the serious exam. Ram, the protagonist of my story, is a graduate from Barkatullah University, Bhopal, and is preparing for combined defense service examination and had cleared it before 2 times. One day, while walking in the park, she found her friend sitting in a sad tone, and so he called upon and asked her about the problem. So her friend has also the keen interest in joining the defense, but she was not able to clear the serious exam. So Ram helped her by providing his notes, helping her by providing the online coaching and by helping her in creating mind maps, short notes, as well as Ram also told her friend to solve mock test in a time limit, and this helped her friend to clear the serious exam, and as a result Ram was happy and enthusiastic to help her friend.
Jai everyone, for the picture perceived, I have identified two actors. One is male, one is female. The age criteria lies between 22 to 23, and overall mood is positive. Action of my story is helping Ishwar in examination. See the 22. President of School Council, Student Council, Managed Bhopal, was one day called by her friend, also a vice president, that all the students are pressing about the upcoming examination. So she discussed the lack of time and the problem they are facing, conduct the meeting, arrange the notes from seniors, and provided the notes. Also make the subgroup to study well and help each other out, motivated them, and after appointing a mentor, prepared well and gave the examination and scored well.
Jai and everyone, from the given picture I have received two characters, one male, one female, age ranging from 20 to 21 years old. The overall mood of my story is positive, picture is positive. The action of my story is revising for upcoming tests. Sita, a 20-year-old girl studying in her college, had her semester exams upcoming. She was well prepared for this. She one day met with her friend and decided to see and test how much she had prepared for. She made her friend ask her many different questions relevant to the subjects, and after a few seconds of thinking, she answered to each and every single one of them beautifully. She was satisfied with her performance. Her friend too also learned many new different things about the subject and ways to answer the questions. Later on, she ended up scoring very well in her test and aced her exam. Thank you.
Jai and everyone, in the given picture, I have identified two major characters. Jai and everyone, in the given picture, I have identified two characters, one male and one female, the age group ranging from 26 to 30 years. The mood of the overall image is positive. The action of my story is helping a girl and spreading awareness. So Rahul, a 26-year-old BTech graduate, was going to his office when he noticed a girl was in a stress because her in-laws were basically pressurizing her on the basis of dowry and the age. So Ram motivated the girl and spread awareness about the various policies and that it is illegal, and encouraged the girl to complain the authorities about it. So that's it.
Jain everyone, from the given picture I have perceived two characters, one male and one female, age bracket ranging from 27 to 30 years. The overall mood of all the characters are positive, and the action of my story is a scene of a park and husband is consoling his wife. The theme of the story is discussion always lead to positive outcomes. Rakesh is a 30-year-old office-going man. Due to excessive workload pressure, he could not make time for his wife. One day on a morning walk, he sees his wife upset and sad. Upon asking, he gets to know that his wife wants to pursue her old job, which her in-laws are not in favor of. And her wife has an argument that she do not want to upset her in-laws as well. Rakesh hands a bottle of water to him, relaxes her, then convinces and assures her that he will surely talk to his parents about the situation, and they will definitely understand her feelings. Upon reaching home, he tries to persuade his parents, try to make them understand the importance of women empowerment in the modern society. And after a series of discussions, the parents also agrees on the point, and after, later in the month, his wife joins for the job.
Jai everyone. Jai everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters, one male and one female, and the age bracket is between 30 to 32 years. And the overall mood of the story is positive. And the action of my story is having future discussion with the wife. Manish, 32-year-old, from worked in an MNC company in Bangalore. He recently lost his job due to mass firing during the recession period. On hearing the news, his wife got very upset and was concerned about their future. Manish consoled her and told her that he would find a new job in no time due to his capabilities. He then searched for various jobs, gave interviews in several companies, and got a decent job. On hearing this, his wife was very happy and was happy for their secured future. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown to us, I perceive two characters. One is male and other is female. Age ranging between 22 to 30 years old. And overall mood is positive. Action of my story is doing discussion with her sister. And theme of the story is discussion brings clarity of thoughts. Anuj, who is 22 years old, was working in MNC Pune. After coming home, he got to know that her sister is not clearing the UPSC examination. That her sister is also feeling dizziness, so he brought her sister to the nearby garden and felt her calmly and discussed about the examination and also motivated her about the examination and from the help of his friends, bring some notes and help of her and motivated her and come back to home.
Jai Hind everyone. From the picture shown, I have perceived two characters, one male, one female, and age bracket 36 to 40 years. Mood of the picture is positive, and action of my story is concerning the wife and going to meet the child. Ram, 40, who is a software professional at HCL Tech, while walking in the park along with his wife, realized that she felt heavy heart. That was because they have recently admitted their child to the hostel, and and she was missing him. So for this, firstly they sat under the tree, and he consoled him and assured her that he will be fine. And later they also take the appointment from the school principal, and on the appointed day they decided to go and meet the child during the weekend. So for this they started the preparation. They bought all the favorite items of their child, and then they decided how they will spend time together. They got some gifts and stationery items that were required by the child. And after ensuring that all was done, they went to the child, spent their time happily, spoke with his friends, and ensured that and felt happy that he has got adjusted and he is living happily there. So looking at this, they were also happy and returned back and resumed their work. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone. From the given picture, I have perceived two characters, one male and one female. Overall age bracket is between 26 to 28 years of age. Action of the story is helping and consoling wife in different walks of life. So Raman, a 28-year-old, works in a Capgemini in Bangalore. Recently got married to his colleague Sneha, and they started living happily thereafter. Soon, Sneha's in-laws asked her to quit her job and continue with helping her family. But she was upset seeing their views. She didn't wanted to confront them, and she went outside and sat near a tree. Raman understood the situation and went to his parents and asked them to not quit her job. Don't ask her to quit her job just because we work together, and in different walks of life we will be together financially and in other aspects helping our family. he went to the tree, sat near Sneha, and asked her not to worry. I have already discussed with parents, and definitely you are going to continue with your job. And Sneha got happy seeing his partner so supportive and helping. Thank you so much.
Joined everyone. From the picture, I have perceived two characters, one male and a female. Age bracket ranging from 24 to 25. The overall mood of my picture is positive. The action of my story is re-preparing for UPSC after losing an attempt. Reema, a 24-year-old UPSC aspirant, is married and due to a lack of preparation she faced in her new husband's house. She could not score very well in her UPSC mains. The day her result came, she was upset and sitting under a tree. She was upset after losing her attempt. So her husband, being caring, consoled her and explained that she could do well in her next attempt, and as she was very deterministic. Listening to her husband's advice, she worked hard, and in the next attempt she passed her exam with flying colors. Thank you.
आयुष लिखिए आपने बोलो.
Good morning, everyone. In this photo, we can see two people, Karan and Geeta. The age bracket is around 19 to 22 years. Karan and Geeta, they both were classmates in their school. And then after passing the 12th class, Karan decided to go to IMA and clear the NDA exam. But Geeta, she decided to pursue engineering. Then in her mid-college time, around third year, she decided to change her stream, and she decided to go to defense, and decided to give the serious exam. But she failed around 2 or 3 times, and she started feeling the pressure of her career and also her mom and dad. And she took that it's her own decision, so she will do her best. But after clearing the exam many times, she was feeling very, very sad and demotivated. And at one time, around after walking in the park, she met Karan, and she realized that he went into defense. So she decided to ask some help and advice, and she told him about all her problems. Then Karan helped her and gave her some advice, and also suggested some books and materials to study. Then she cleared the exam in her last attempt, and later thanked him for all the advice. So the picture was like a good moral and good.
You can start your discussion. Masoom to Vaishnavi and Nazim to Ayush.
From this
After 2 fair attempt, she took help from her senior. He provided her notes. He guided
the doubts, and as a result, so he also provided by helping her clearing the doubts, subject related doubts,
and
assisted in also
work outside, but their in-laws are not. So what can we do? What are the suggestions?
आप लोग आपस में नहीं करना है, पूरा में करना है। जोर से बोलो। Okay, the whole group. Okay, boys and girls, आपको एक आर्ट आना पड़ेगा घुसने का। मौका मिला था, देखो त्रिशाल ने और वैष्णवी ने अटका लिया उसको। तुम दोनों अच्छा होते हुए भी मौका ढूंढ नहीं रहे हो, बहुत सॉफ्ट स्पोकन हो रहे हो। एट टाइम्स यू हैव टू रेज योर वॉइस, ठीक है? किसी से लड़ते झगड़ते हो ना तो कभी कभी तो लड़े होगे, ऐसा थोड़ी है मम्मी से ही लड़े होगे। तो थोड़ा वॉइस एक आध बार रेज करके घुसने की कोशिश करो, आप दोनों भैया लोग भी, ठीक है? और आप आपस में नहीं करो, ये पूरा टीम है, ठीक है? So nominate a person to give the group plan.
So if you want to give.
आपका इसमें से कौन करेगा? चलो आज बलराज, ओके बलराज और राधा। क्या नाम है? अभिषेक। और इनमें से कौन बोलेगा? ओके चलो राधा।
Thank you group for nominating me. Jain sir, from the picture shown, we have perceived that there are two characters. One is male and one is female. The age bracket is around 25 to 28 years, and the overall mood of the picture is positive. And action of our story is building confidence of the wife. So Ram, who was 28, the software professional at HCL Tech, while walking in the park along with his wife, she felt a little worried about her upcoming examination for the teachers training, which was for getting into the government colleges, getting into as a teacher in government colleges. So for that, as Ram noticed this, he made her sit under the tree, consoled her, and build confidence in her by telling that she has been preparing well, and he also ensured that she maintained.
इसको थोड़ा फास्ट बोलो,
Starting से
स्टोरी से।
Ram 28, the software engineer at HCL Tech, along with his wife, while walking in the park. So he realized that his wife was worried about the upcoming teachers training entrance examination.
ओके, तो स्टेज 1 में इतनी टोन फास्ट रखना, बिकॉज जल्दी में है वहाँ, आपकी कहानी सुनकर वो चिढ़ जाएगा। और तुम्हारा एक साइड क्यों झुका हुआ है? गर्दन एक साइड झुकी हुई है क्योंकि एक ही इयरिंग पहना है, दूसरा कहाँ है? क्यों दूसरा क्यों नहीं होता? ये क्या हो गया? लड़कियां तो दो पैर, तुम्हारे कितने हैं? तो एनीथिंग अनयूजुअल विल बी ऑब्जर्व बाय एटलीस्ट GTO, ठीक है? नहीं दोनों पैर हो ना, बैठ जाओ। हाँ, तुम्हारे कितने हैं? तो एक का कोई और रूल है क्या कोई? है परेशान होगी। हमारा काम ही है ऑब्जर्वेशन और रिकॉर्डिंग, ठीक है?
Thank you group for nominating me, Jain sir. From the given picture, we have perceived two characters, one male and one female, age bracket ranging from 25 to 28 years. The action of our story is the scene of a park, and husband is consoling her wife. Rakesh is a 27-year-old office-going man. Due to workload pressure and excessive work, he could not spend much time with his wife. One day on a morning walk, he sees her wife upset and worried. Upon asking, he gets to know that his wife has been preparing for a teacher's examination. She wants to clear.
Now you see, दोनों की स्टोरी वाइफ हस्बैंड की है। तुमने डाइवोर्स और डाउरी भी ला दिया, सब नेगेटिव फैक्टर्स ला दिए, ठीक है? मेरे पांचों बच्चे, जो 6 बच्चे NDA वाले हैं, सब निकल सकते हो, और आपका नॉलेज इंडिया के अराउंड नहीं है अच्छी, और आपका आर्मी, एयरफोर्स और नेवी के भी नहीं है। इसको पढ़ लो, पास हो जाओ। इंडो पाक, इंडो नेपाल, इंडो बांग्लादेश, इंडो चाइना, इतना तो पूछेगा ही ना तुमसे, इंडिया के आसपास तो पूछेगा ही भाई। तो ये आपको मालूम है, ठीक है? प्लीज़ पढ़ लो। आपका अभी भी 1-1.5 महीना है SSBs के लिए, और इंडियन आर्मी, नेवी, एयरफोर्स के बारे में मालूम होना चाहिए। आर्मी डे कब होता है? एयरफोर्स डे, नेवी डे, मोटो नेवी का है? प्लीज पढ़ लो, सब के सब हो जाओगे, ठीक है? बढ़िया, मेरे को फोटो मिलेगी, बट क्यों थोड़ी मेहनत करोगे तो ही हो पाओगे। गोल्डन चांस है रे। मम्मी पापा की फीस नहीं दोगे, कम से कम 25 लाख रुपए बचाओगे मम्मी पापा का। फिर सेकंड, आगे जाके भी तो इंटरव्यू देना है, उससे बचे रहोगे, और फिर 21 साल में तुम गजटेड अफसर हो जाओगे। मैडम भी बिल्कुल परखटी आएगी तुम्हारी, ठीक है? तो कितनी मोटिवेशन है, तुम लोग सोचो यार। ये ब्रिगेडियर साहब की बिटिया है, इनकी मम्मी बिल्कुल ब्रिगेडियर साहब से भी ऊपर चलती है। ऐसा, ठीक है? पूछ लो उनसे, तो लाइफ ही अलग हो जाएगी, ठीक है? इन लोगों के पास तो फायदा है। ये बाई चांस नहीं हो पाया तो एक मेजर साहब से शादी या कैप्टन साहब से शादी हो जाएगी, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ये हो जाएगी, ठीक है? तो तुम लोग एनडीए वाले प्लीज़ इस गोल्डन चांस को, बिकॉज तुम लोग सब अच्छे हो, सब 90% वाले हैं, तो तुम लोग का अभी हवा है, वहाँ हवा फुस हो जाएगी जब NR हो जाओगे। NR क्यों हो गए? अपनी गलती से। हमने आपको सब बता दिया क्या पढ़ना है, प्लीज़ पढ़ लो, ठीक है? बैठो। हाँ, कौन था? आप रहने दो फिर। हाँ चलो, आप बोलो।
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jai Hind, sir. From this story, we have perceived 2 characters, one male, one female, age bracket being around 22 years, and the overall mood of the story is positive. So, Asha is a 22-year-old girl who has recently graduated from her engineering, and she, along with her friend Ram, together have decided to apply for the CDS exam. So they meet at a park in a peaceful atmosphere one day, prepare a detailed strategy on how to prepare for exams, how to create notes from where they need to prepare each topic, and then after creating a detailed strategy, they decide to appear for the CDS exam. Following that strategy, they give the exam successfully, pass with flying colors, and then they move ahead in achieving their defense dreams.
Okay.
Thank you, group, for nominating me. Jai Hind, sir. As per the picture shown to us today, I perceive 2 characters, one male, one female. Age bracket is 20 to 30 years old, and both are in a positive mood. The action of my story is consoling her friend in the park and guiding her for the preparation of CDS examination. Ram, 24-year-old, works as a junior executive in NTP Limited in Goa. One day while he was going towards the office, he saw her friend sitting in the park near the garden, and she was a bit tense as she was not able to clear the CDS examination. He went there, he consoled her, he also guided her for clearing the CDS examination. He told her about all the websites from where he has prepared, as he has already cleared CDS examination twice. He also told him about the various sites. He also provided him with his notes so that she can prepare for those notes, and she was a constant supporter throughout the journey, and next time she cleared the examination and came out with the flying colors. Thank you.
So this was stage 1 at HSSB Academy.